Hi everyone. So for this practice problem, we're going to use Newton's method to approximate the root for this polynomial that's in the interval from 1 to 2. And it's kind of nice that they give us the interval because then we know that our answer needs to be between 1 and 2. And we're going to start with our x sub 0 equaling 2. So Newton's method says that x sub n plus 1 is equal to x sub n minus f of x sub n over f prime of x sub n. So we have t's here, so we've got our polynomial, which is t of x, equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 1. So let's find the derivative. And we have 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. So we now know that x sub 1 is going to be x sub 0 minus t of x sub 0 over t prime of x sub 0, where x sub 0 is 2. So we need to know what t of 2 is and what t prime of 2 is. So if we substitute these in, and I kind of did that math here on the side, we should get that. So x sub 1 then is going to equal 2 minus 1 over 5, which is going to equal 1.8. Now we need to get all the way to x sub 2, so we're going to do this same thing, same pattern. X sub 2 is going to be x sub 1 minus t of x sub 1 over t prime of x sub 1. So x sub 1 is 1.8, so we need t of 1.8 and t prime of 1.8. Again, I did this math ahead of time, and if you substitute in 1.8 for x into the original function, you will get 0.152. And if you substitute in 1.8 into the derivative function, you will get 3.52, which means that x sub 2 is going to be 1.8 minus 0.152 divided by 3.52. And when you do that math in your calculator, you will get 1.76.